This one's gonna be a different test drive, fairly easy. We're just gonna take it down the road, come back, look around the body. This car is very nice inside and out. 2003 Mustang Cobra. This thing is gonna be fast, supercharged, with 12,000 miles on it. Basically a brand new car. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out. Check out maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping. And if you hit subscribe, you can see test drives from us every week. We post about 10 cars. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride.
Wasted a lot of time sitting down here by this lake. A lot of things went through my mind. Should I go or should I?
And yes, everything works on this beautiful car here. You know the horn, everything's gonna work. Starts up easy. You got nice seats, you got extra keys. The interior is basically new. Same with your package tray, headliner. Cold air is blowing out right now, and you know the radio works. Show you the mileage. This should be a good test drive. Let's go ahead and hit the road. Okay, let's go ahead and take off here. I think I need to scoot up just a little bit. There we go, that feels good. Go ahead and plant my foot. Just letting off right off the floor. I'm gonna cut the AC off for the test drive. Like I said, this one's gonna be very easy. I don't have to do many shots on this one. It's a brand new car, so I just want to show you how it drives down the road. And I do believe we put new tires on it because it had like the original tires on it as well. Everything's coming up on the dash like it should. Nice and smooth. Straight as an arrow going down the road. Getting in the brakes. They feel pretty good. Yeah, nice and smooth. Tight steering. We don't need gas, we got half a tank here. Opened her up just a little bit there. We'll pull into the parking lot here and try to get some undercarriage shots. As long as the car is not low where it'll hit my camera, we'll be good. I know y'all seen a few episodes that I put out where we ran over the camera. Sometimes it's okay. I've had times where I had to replace the lens. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, picking out the flaws. We're gonna try to find some stuff. We'll start up here in the front. The front end on this, there's a few little bug marks on there, but I think those will come out. Headlights, got some age where it shows the clear coat kind of peeling a little bit. And down the side of this car, the lower portion, midsection. A little chip there in the corner, also here. A little chip in the back here too. Also got a little spot there. Back window's nice and clean. Really, this whole car is nice and clean. You got some clear coat coming off the headlight over here as well. A little blotchy there. I think that maybe that's armor all. That's what that is. Up and over. Chip here. There's also a little chip there. There's also a chip here. Little spot there on the door. Overall, this is a very easy car to walk around and test drive. The seal around the trunk looks good. I guess you got a little dirt down in here that needs to be scrubbed off. See, this side's fairly clean. A little bit in there too. Trunk's in good shape. Same with the lid. Coming down with it. That lid looks good. All right, let's go ahead and check out the inside one more time. We know it's nice and clean. I'll show the door here. Your jams, it just smells brand new. All your seals, soft. You can tell it's just been sitting in the garage. Motor's very quiet. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I know it was short. I knew it was going to be. Got a near perfect car here. Check out the detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Financing and shipping's available, and I do thank you for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe. That's maplemotors.com, guys. Have a good one.